Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present the best Binance referral code ID that you can use to get lower fees, because right now the fees are really low on Binance. When you would come here to Maker Taker 0.10, we're using BNB even more, but if you're gonna use my link, you will get even 10% less fees just forever. And all you have to do is just use the link down below in the description. When you would just click on it, it looks like this. You enter and you see here the referral ID, your commission kickback rate is 10%, and you're good to go. So you don't have to actually worry about anything. And this is how you can save on fees even more. And Binance is a really good platform on which you can save money. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help and provide some guidance. There is like hot USD right now. I don't know when you're gonna watch this video, but crypto is just at the beginning. So that's something really fascinating. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. And yeah, goodbye.